Hello everyone, welcome to today's video, and in this crypto cult video we will talk about the Scroll airdrop. Scroll is one of the most popular project right now when it comes to airdrops. It's because it has raised $80 million in funding. We have already covered this in the previous task video where we have also told you how to set up your Metamask for Scroll. So make sure you go and watch that first. We will link that in the description. So if you go to this Twitter thread that will be linked in the description, you need to go to the network and open the Scroll alpha. Here you have two options, layer 1 and layer 2, and you need to add this to Metamask. So click on add to Metamask and an option will appear. Just give it some permissions. Then also do that with Scroll alpha testnet. That will also happen. Now what we need to do is we need to get some Ethereum in layer 1 Gorilla testnet and then transfer them using their bridge to the layer 2. And for getting this Ethereum, we obviously need a faucet that is mentioned in this. So Gorilla faucet is here. Just click on this and here you can find 3 faucets. If one is not working, you can use the other. I will be using the first one, that is the Alchemy faucet. Now the problem with Alchemy faucet is that you need to have an account. So I have logged in, as you can see. Now I will go to my account here and copy my address, then paste it here. Once we have done this, click on I'm not a robot and send me the ETH. So it will now send you the Ethereum for trying out the bridge. Now the next task is trying out the bridge. So for trying out the bridge, we need to click on this bridge button. Here we need to transfer some Ethereum from the Gorilla testnet to Scroll alpha testnet. So for now, let's just transfer 0.1. Now let's click on send ETH to Scroll alpha testnet. It will take around 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, so please have some patience.
A few moments later.
And once you have done that, you will have some ETH here. Now we need to transfer this ETH back to the Gorilla testnet again. So I'll just do that here. Let's transfer 0.05 Ethereum and click on send and confirm. Now it will take again some time. I have another test transaction pending here. It will again take 10 to 12 minutes. So please have some patience. So while that is happening in the background, let's go to the guild page of Scroll and we need to join this guild to get our roles. Let's connect our wallet. Click on Metamask, click on next and connect. It will ask you to verify and we'll sign this wallet. Now it will ask you to follow CKP. So we'll just connect our Twitter. So I have made a separate Twitter for that. So I'll just also follow them quickly and click on refresh. Now we'll have to join the guild to get roles. Let's join the guild. Once you have joined the guild, that is it. That is all you have to do now. Now for additional things, you can also search your transaction on N1 and L2 Explorer that you can find on here. Just go to L1 Block Explorer, paste your wallet address here and just click on find. Here you can see different transactions and same thing you can do for L2 also. This is not necessary, but if you want, you can do this. Another thing is you can generate a volume of at least 2 Ethereum. You need to transfer at least 2 Ethereum worth of volume from L1 and L2. You need to use the bridge. You have done all the tasks. You can do the additional task I mentioned at the end, and I hope you will participate in the Scroll airdrop. It is one of the most hyped airdrop right now, and the probability of this happening is very, very high. So please seize the opportunity. Also, you can join our Telegram group where we are sharing airdrops almost daily and we are having a very good hit rate. There are a lot of people are making money without investing anything. In some cases we also pay you for the gas, so you can just try out and explore. So the joining link is in the description. If you want more Twitter threads, the link for that is also in the description. Follow us on Twitter and thank you for watching the video, and I will see you in the next one.